What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn on your LinkedIn profile. So as you can see guys, I'm on my phone here. So if you're using your mobile phone, an Android or iOS device, it's super easy to do. Now you will find on the bottom there, you'll find jobs. So you can simply go ahead and tap on jobs, and from here you can just simply use a search. You will see that LinkedIn basically have some picks there and some recommendations for you, so you can go ahead and you can check those, or you can just simply search. So let's say I want to look for anything within editing, right? So I can type in the word editing or editor, or I can basically type in that, and from here you can choose a country or region. So you can type a city wherever. So let's say I want to look for that in Czech Republic. Let's say I want to type in Czech Republic, right? Or Prague, Czech Republic. I can type that in and I can search, right? And as you can see here, it starts to show me these different kind of jobs, video editing jobs in that country, right? You can look for it. You can also filter it more. If you go across at the top there, you can see that it gives you easy apply date. You can choose the date when it was posted. You can choose the experience level if you want to as well. The company, there's going to be some top companies or some of the companies that are actually offering that kind of job. You can filter it by that as well. You can filter by the job type. So whether it's part-time, full-time, contract, temporary, whatever it is, you can choose that as well. And if you want to have it remote or on-site hybrid as well, so you can filter like that. Now once you find a job, you can just simply go ahead and tap on that job and you can easily go ahead and apply. For example, this one is an easy apply. You can quickly apply for that one there. If you have LinkedIn Premium, you'll have a lot more benefits and easy access to apply for jobs and so forth. It comes with a ton of different benefits, of course, but yeah, this is how you can easily find a job. Here is how you can quickly apply. So tap on the apply, it's going to take you over to where you can apply for the job. You will have description of the job on whatever they are going to post about this job. You'll be able to find it here on this page. You can also save a job as well. And that's it guys. This is how you can easily find jobs on LinkedIn. Very easy and very simple.